Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Wix website. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. First of all, open wix.com and simply log in with your account. Then what you need to do is just open up your website list by clicking on My Sites tab. Here you can see that all of the websites that you have created until now are displayed. Simply select your site you want to delete and click on Edit Site button to start editing it. If you notice, there is a three dots menu at the bottom right side of each site box. If you click on it, further options will start to appear. You can also preview your site from here, and if you scroll down to the end, you will be able to see the option Move to Trash. Just click on it and a pop-up will appear in front of you stating you won't be able to recover your site after completely removing it. Click on Move to Trash to delete it, and that's how you can delete your Wix website. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.